So today we are doing letter designs. So basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna select some photos. I have pre-selected this deer. We're gonna expand it a little bit. Yes. So now we go to elements and we search for letter D, for example. It doesn't matter what letter you want to use. For this purpose, I'm gonna use letter D. So we're gonna expand it to fit the page. So yes, I'm gonna do it like this. So next we gonna duplicate this one. So we're gonna duplicate it and we're gonna fit in the page. So now we press on letter D and let's align this so it looks same as a picture. Okay, now it's done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna duplicate this one also. We're gonna move it a little bit like this, make border, and we're gonna do same for the first one so we see where the letters are. So we're gonna match it so it looks nice. We're gonna open layer, show layers, and we're gonna switch it like this. So now you see the result. So now we're gonna match also second picture. So it's exactly the same. Yes, perfect. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the second one layer and we're gonna edit the image, adjust. We're gonna remove brightness. Later on we gonna remove outline, so no borders. Next, what we want to do is just edit this first image. Press edit, background removal. Now we have it. Okay, nice. And now what we can do, we can rearrange this photo a little bit and we can do it like this. And we gonna do again layer. We're gonna show layer and we're gonna move deer to the front so it looks like this. What you always can do a little bit more, you can remove the leg so it looks more natural. Okay, so now we have finished product which looks like this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add new page. We're gonna download this one. We're gonna do transparent background, download it. Yes, and we're gonna import this deer. So we're gonna move it here and in uploads we have it. We press the deer and we have deer. So now we choose background, use yeah, let's use this one. Now we press image, edit image. Now we go to effects. We're gonna give some shadows to give some realism. We press curved, and as you see, your final product looks really nice. Also, you can always edit image. You can always use blur amount. You can always use distance to make it more not so far from the shadows, and you can curve it also, and intensity of the shadow. So for this image I'm using just this intensity, and here you go, you have your final product which looks really nice, really awesome. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the